Infiniti QX60. Was involved in a minor collision. I hit a deer. The fender was damaged. 2 doors were a little bit damaged. Headlight was broken. This vehicle was repaired by Milton Collision in Milton, Ontario. Cost of repair $9,887. And I'll show you what's wrong with this car after the repairs. This headlight, when you're driving at night, is pointing up. That fog light was replaced. It's not as bright as that fog light. This headlight, it's sticking out. I can put a wire behind it. So yeah. This one on this side, it's nice and flush. They replaced the fender. They had to open up all this. Missing a clip right here. Missing a fender bolt there. One that I can see. I don't know what the hell it was supposed to be, but it doesn't look like it needs a bolt. There's a little lip here. It's not probably lined up with the bumper. Missing a clip in the bottom. Yeah, let's go inside the wheel well. There's a missing clip. There's another missing clip. Another missing clip. I hit the deer at 70 miles per hour in Illinois. So hard that I had hair inside the beads of the wheel. And they didn't think I needed an alignment, even though I told them I do. Because when you're driving on the highway, the car steers to the right. Okay. There's a paint drop right there. Overspray right here. This gap is twice as big as the one on the other side. You can see this one. And look at this one. This is actually, it moves when I push it in. An overspray right there. Overspray over there. I don't know if they rust-proofed inside the doors when they pull the dent out. Something I gotta ask them. They had to repair this fold over here because it was bent. This fold. You could probably hear the surface all rough. They never clear coated. They just left it like that. They had to use some kind of foam. They never cleaned out the old one. This is behind the fender. A pretty sloppy job.